Hi, I'm Amy. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to connect iMBrace to WhatsApp with its business platform API. So let's get started. To begin, you will need a Meta Business Suite account and a Meta for Developers account to create a Meta app with the WhatsApp business account. First, go to My App, Create App. Give a Meta app name and information to create an app. Scroll down to WhatsApp, click Setup, then pick the business of this app. Click Start Using API. Add a phone number. Give a WhatsApp business account display name and its details. Then enter a number that you want to use as WhatsApp business account on Meta and the verify code. Make sure you will be able to receive the SMS. The number should not yet be registered on WhatsApp app. If it is an existing WhatsApp account, please delete it first. In iMBrace, create a new WhatsApp channel account. Key in WhatsApp phone number. And copy the webbook URL and verification token. In the Developer Console, in the left sidebar, go to WhatsApp, Configuration. Under Webbook, enter the callback URL. And verify token, which copy from iMBrace. Click Verify and save. You can create your own token. Please make sure there is no space in the token. Under Webbook Fields, subscribe to the fields you want. In this case, Messages. Turn on Live on the top side of the screen. If you haven't provided your privacy policy URL, kindly go to Settings, Basic, and provide your privacy policy URL. In the left sidebar, navigate to WhatsApp, Getting Started. Under Send and Receive Messages, select the relevant phone number to be used, and copy the phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. Go to the Business Settings. Click System Users on the sidebar and choose the admin user. If there is no admin user, add one. Click Add Assets, then Apps. Choose the app you have set for iMBrace and turn on the full control, Save Change. Click Generate New Token. Select an app for iMBrace, then choose Never on Token Expiration and all available permissions. Click Generate Token. Then copy and paste the token to iMBrace Access Token field. In iMBrace, enter all three pieces of information in the corresponding fields. Then click Create and click Active. And it's done. The channel account can then be used to send and receive messages through WhatsApp using the WhatsApp and WhatsApp trigger nodes. Thank you for listening. Be sure to join us iMBrace for more info by going to our website. Let's embrace your customers today.